Have you ever pulled a favorite shirt out of the closet only to find it pilled, stretched, or just plain worn out? Why do some fabrics seem to fall apart so quickly while others stand the test of time? Today we're unraveling the truth about synthetic cotton blends and why they may not be as durable as you might think. Synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon are often touted for their strength, but in real-world conditions they tend to degrade quickly. Unlike natural fibers, synthetics don't handle friction, washing, or sunlight well. Over time, they break down in ways that affect both their appearance and their structure. You know those little tangled balls of fabric you've probably seen on some of your clothes? It's called pilling. Pilling can be normal on the inside of 100% cotton sweats that are made from fleece, but sometimes we find this on a dress or a top that's made from a synthetic blend jersey knit. It happens when the little synthetic fibers break apart during washing and wear and get tangled. Not only does it make fabrics look worn out, but it also weakens the material. Synthetic fibers, which are essentially plastic, degrade unevenly. They become brittle and prone to tearing, especially with UV exposure or heat. By contrast, organic cotton ages much more gracefully. It softens with use and maintains structural integrity for years. Another downside to synthetics is microfiber shedding. Every time you wash fabrics with polyester or other synthetic fibers, tiny microscopic plastic particles called microfibers are released into the water. Not only does this pollute waterways, but it also weakens the fabric over time, causing it to fray and thin out. In episode 101, we talked about how microplastic shedding is a significant contributor to environmental pollution. But what we didn't cover in depth is how it also shortens the life of synthetic fabrics. This is especially true for cotton synthetic blends, which shed even more microfibers than pure synthetics. So while these blends may seem like a cost-effective choice, their durability is actually compromised with every wash. One of the benefits of working with natural fibers is how easy they are to repair. A small tear in a 100% cotton garment can often be fixed with a small stitch, but synthetic blends are much more difficult to mend. The slippery nature of synthetic fibers makes stitches less secure, and the uneven wear patterns in blends means that the fabric often weakens in multiple areas at once. This makes repairs impractical, leading to more textile waste. Let's use leggings as an example. Let's consider a common wardrobe staple, leggings. Whether you wear them as pants or wear them under dresses in the winter, most of us own leggings. A pair made with 100% cotton will behave very differently from one made from a synthetic blend. A pair made from 100% cotton will behave very differently from a 95% cotton 5% spandex blend. While the spandex adds stretch and recovery initially, it does break down over time. You've probably seen those little white hairs sticking out from worn-out leggings. That's the spandex degrading. Once that happens, the fabric loses both its appearance and functionality. On the other hand, 100% cotton leggings may not have the same recovery initially, but they recover fully after washing and remain repairable for years. So when it comes to durability, 100% natural fibers like organic cotton are the clear winners. Natural fibers age gracefully, they can be repaired, reused, or recycled. Organic cotton is free from harsh chemicals used in synthetic production, making it more gentle on your skin. Organic cotton doesn't shed microplastics, and it's biodegradable at the end of its life. I fully believe in offering textiles that stand the test of time. Whether you're starting a new wardrobe or creating home goods, choosing organic cotton is an investment in quality, sustainability, and beauty. While synthetic blends may seem practical at first, their shorter lifespan, repair challenges, and environmental impact make them far less sustainable than they appear. By opting for 100% natural fibers like organic cotton, you're choosing fabrics that not only last longer but are also kinder to the earth and the people who make them. If you're curious about choosing eco-friendly fabrics, I've put together a free PDF guide called A Quick Guide to Eco-Friendly Fabrics. It's packed with tips to help you make informed, sustainable choices. You can download it by clicking the link in show notes or visiting our website. Thanks for joining me today on Beyond the Fabric. I hope you found this episode helpful. I'd love it if you'd leave a review or share it with a friend who's on their own sustainable sewing journey. Until next time, happy sewing and happy slow living.